Well, hopefully we are going to Walmart. Yes, that's right. Wally World. Pick up a few things. Have a nice little ride on the way out there. So tonight I got my camera set on, let's see, -1 exposure instead of 0. We'll see if it helps at all. It's still set on low light. But I did notice in some spots maybe if it was a little bit darker it would have looked a little bit better. So we shall see. Good to go. Alright, so let's see. Walmart. Man, I tell you, dude, some of those people that you see on that peopleatwalmart.com, how in the hell, dude, that chick think that wearing that fishnet freaking tiger suit was gonna be good to walk out of the house in? No way, dude. No way. I don't understand some of those peeps. Don't understand. But anyways, so hopefully the first motovlog was okay. What happened is I had about an hour's worth of footage. Uh-oh. It's raining. I had about an hour's worth of footage, and I ended up having to cut it down considerably, actually. I had a lot of really dark footage, basically meaning footage that didn't have any city lights, and it was really dark, and the Ghost Drift did okay with it, but not really great. So I just kind of elected to cut that footage out, and I think I'm going to put it together in a nighttime motovlog type thing, and eventually upload that. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. I have never driven in the rain before, so let me just put that disclaimer out there. It's sprinkling a bit, it's not really coming down. So we'll just keep going. If it keeps raining, I'm probably just going to stop at a local gas station and get what I need, but we'll see what it does by the time I get up here. Oh. That scared me, man. That guy with a dog almost looked like a deer or something. Anyways, I don't know if anybody figured out from my first motovlog, but my bike is the Honda CTX 700, and it's the DCT version with the ABS. So it's It's got the dual clutch transmission and the ABS. So for those of you that don't know, what does that mean? Well, that means that my bike is an automatic, essentially. I can use it in a manual fashion, but I kind of like the automatic. It's nice. I haven't been on the road very long, so to have an automatic and be able to get used to the road and being around cars and whatnot, it's a nice touch. So I've heard I've heard mixed reviews from people. You know, I tell them my bike's an automatic and everything. They're, whoa, automatic? Shouldn't it be like a scooter or something? Like, no, dude, it's not a fucking scooter. Not even close. Nope. So, automatic, right? That gas station wasn't even open. So, I don't know. I think it's awesome. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, to be honest. I like using a clutch. I can use a clutch. I took the MSF course. I did just fine. Rode dirt bikes my whole life. You know, and there's instances where I wish I did have a clutch. You know, the friction zone and stuff. But there's ways to emulate the friction zone with your rear brake and some throttle. So, you know, what's the big deal, right? I could do anything on this bike that anybody could do with with a clutch. So it's raining. It's not raining too hard. It's really windy. I don't know. So, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think about automatic bikes? Do you think it's cheating? Or, you know, I mean, what do you think? Because I don't think it's any sort of cheating at all. I don't see why it would be. Two wheels are two wheels in my, you know, in my eyes. Whether it's a scooter or a freaking moped, I don't care. Two wheels is two wheels, man. But, you know, this bike's a 700. It's It's definitely got the juice, that's for sure. It's more of a cruiser bike. I mean, I love it. I just love it. Like I was saying though, you know, I don't need an automatic. Just, you know, I was actually in the market for a scooter when I got this bike, but I was kind of like, huh, I'm gonna pay like a few grand less for a scooter. You know, granted it was a nice one, a maxi scooter from Honda. It was like a 400. I think it was the Forza. You know, and this one was like 2 grand more, and I was like, okay, yeah. So I went with this one. Whoa, windy, windy. Go with the flow, baby. Go with the flow. Slow down a little bit for the green light. All right. So I mean, right now I'm just doing what everybody has always told me to do. It's nice, smooth. Whoa, buddy. That wind's grabbing me right underneath the jacket. I'm just doing what everybody's told me to do. Just relax. Smooth inputs to the bike. You know, nothing drastic. And you should be fine in the rain. I mean, it's pretty much not raining right now, but the roads are still kind of dampish. So I know back there at the gas station, like the one that was closed that I went to, whenever I stopped, like my feet were super about to slip out from underneath of me. Same thing with the gas station that I just left. The ground is super slippery, man. Oh my gosh. You know, it probably has to do with the oil from the gas station and stuff like that. But still, damn, man. Scary. Scary, scary. 500 pounds on a foot that's slipping? Not good. So, yeah. But, I don't know. This was supposed to be a trip to Walmart tonight, but you know, when I left it started raining, and it's just not smart. So I'm just gonna go home. Fucking cager. Fucking cager. Yeah, that's a smart thing to do, dude. I'm just gonna go home. You know, maybe we'll go to Walmart tomorrow. That'll be cool. Man, is it windy. Holy shit, dude. It just grabs my jacket like a fucking parachute, dude. Whoa. It's alright though, just relax. Go with the flow. And I'm going first, buddy.